Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel, in today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is known as Fiat Freemont. The same vehicle under two different names depending on the market. So what we'll be showing you today, guys, if your air conditioner, AC, compressor, air conditioning compressor does not work, which fuse to check. There is one fuse that is for the air conditioner compressor clutch. If the clutch does not engage, your compressor will not turn on and you will not get cold air. Now always check that fuse before you buy new AC compressor or new clutch. Let me guys introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel, guys. In addition, all the tools and parts including the fuse will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Open the hood now, and right here we have a fuse box, okay, and that lid, you can see those two things. Squish them like that and pull it up, okay, like that. This is your layout, fuse layout. Now this layout corresponds to the layout here, and if you see fuse number 168, 10 amp fuse, this is for the AC clutch, okay, right here. So all we have to do, grab the puller now and pull it out. Perfect. Okay guys, this is your fuse. I'll grab a new one quick. Okay, and install it. Now usually, okay, if one person goes inside, okay, and you start it, okay, down there, this is your AC compressor, okay. I cannot get the light to go in there, okay, but if it engages, you see the pulley started turning, the clutch turning as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.